wasn't a bad hunt. I got in my stand way late. 6:46 is when I got up my tree because I texted my wife and let her know I was up my tree. 6:58 the deer came out, and 7:03 is when I shot him. So not a bad hunt. Now we're headed to pick them up, like I said, and we'll go from there. Start getting them processed. Watch the gate on that side. Hey, watch the gate. Watch the gate, Hunter. You about hit the gate.